Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you an easy way to draw this cute flamingo. Let's begin if you are ready. Let's start our drawing with one upside down U shape. And we will connect both sides of this shape with slightly curved line on the bottom. So we will end up with something like an eye shape. And then we go back to the starting point, go a little bit up, and right above this point we are going to draw an oval for the head. Okay. And now we are going to connect head and the body with long curvy neck. We will start from the back of the head. Draw a curvy line like this first. And another matching line right next to it. Next part to draw is a beak, and we are going to find the middle of the head here. It will be our starting point. Then we will draw one line going outside, slightly curve down, curve again on the top, and connect back to the head with a straight line. The tip of the beak is going to be in black color, and we are going to separate it with a curved line. Let's fill it in black right away. And then we will separate the beak into two parts with another curved line. Now we can draw an eye. It's gonna be just an oval with two round highlights inside. And let's fill the space around highlights in. Now we are going to separate the light part of the head with a curved line connecting these two dots. Let's add some feathers on the top of the head and draw an oval for the cheek. Let's complete the body before we start drawing legs. And I will add 3 long feathers for the tail. I will draw them in different sizes. Let's separate the end of the feathers and color them in black. And then we will draw some curvy lines for the wings. First I will draw 3 U shapes connected together. Then 2 of them. And finally 1. Now when we are done with the body, we can start drawing flamingo's long signature legs. We're gonna find the very middle of this line and draw one straight line going down and another line right next to it. Then we can draw the foot. Flamingos love to stand on just one leg, He will hold another leg up, so we are going to draw another line going at an angle down, and then go back to the first leg and a little bit further. And we need to repeat it again with the matching lines. Try to make both legs approximately the same width. These legs remind me of number 4, facing the opposite direction. At the end of this leg, we are going to draw 2 curved lines for another foot. And let's add some details to the legs to finish our drawing. Okay, we are done with the line work now. Let's add bright pink color to our flamingo, and at the end of the video we will have a little bit more fun with our finished drawing. Make sure you don't miss this part of the video. See you in a second. Here is our beautiful flamingo. Leave a comment below if you love the result. And now let's think how we can get creative with this drawing. For example, you could make it a princess flamingo, or you can draw your flamingo holding a board with a cute message on it in his beak. I'm happy that you joined my tutorial today. Stay creative, have fun drawing, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye!